Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today's video title is guys how to set up face lock in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to set up face lock, you want to unlock Tecno mobile with face lock. So friends, now let's see how to unlock Tecno mobile with face lock one by one, step by step we will talk about. Open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, scroll down here. Open your phone security setting. After turn on your phone security setting, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, tap here face unlock setting. Set screen lock setting. First of all guys, you will have to select your lock screen password, then you can start face lock. You can set up face lock in your Tecno mobile. So friends, I will select pattern lock with face lock. Next, draw pattern, remember pattern. Next, confirm your pattern, and friends, remember your password. Okay, confirm. After confirm, done option, tap here. Next option, and friends, you have wear any mask object like hat, glasses and mask, so remove it. Next, show your face. You can start face lock. You can set up face lock in your mobile and you can use it. After show face, done option, face lock will add in your device. Face lock will set up in your device and you can use your face lock setting in your Tecno mobile. Hence, after setup face lock, you want to use fingerprint lock. Enter your password. You can add fingerprint lock and you can use it. Off your screen. So friends, if you show your face on your lock screen, friends, you can see phone will unlock automatic. Off your screen. You want to unlock Tecno mobile without show face. Draw your pattern. Enter your password. Phone will unlock. So like that friends, you can use Tecno mobile face lock setting. You can set up face lock. You can unlock your Tecno mobile with face lock and password also. And friends, you want to change your lock screen password, you want to change your face lock password, so you can change. Face lock plus pin you want to use, so you can use. Face lock plus password you want to use, so you can use. Friends, by mistake if you click here swipe option, so friends, you can see face lock notification is not here, and if you click here yes remove option, friends, automatic your face lock will remove. Again you want to use, first you will have to set your lock screen password, then you can start face lock in your Android mobile and in your Tecno mobile. Swipe, phone will unlock without face and without password. Bye.